Today's executives are increasingly looking for ways in which they can be more engaged in their work and be energized by what they do. Given that people are spending more time at work, a feeling of disconnect with the job can easily erode one's overall sense of well-being. At the other end of the spectrum, when work becomes a calling or like a sport, work can then be a vehicle through which you can experience deep satisfaction, meaning, and joy in life. Hi, I'm Ramya Ranganathan, and when I'm not writing poetry, traveling, or doing yoga, I like to facilitate change in other people's lives. I have been teaching positive psychology, innovation, and organizational behavior at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore for the past 8 years. This course has been specially designed with inputs from positive psychology, neuroscience, sociology, and philosophy, and they have been blended together into reflective exercises to help you gain a better understanding of the mental and emotional patterns. In this course, you will learn scientific tools to help you change these patterns so that you can reinvent the way you have been crafting your career. If you desire a life where there is no longer a chasm between happiness and work, then this course is for you.